Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I think the word I am going to use is overwhelmed. I feel really like everything is out of control at home. I have got so much to do. I almost don't know where to start, but I have got a window of time today and I want to really get the house sorted. I want to get cleaning and sorting out done. I've got a ton of cooking that I need to do, some meal prepping. So I need to get all of these things done. I want to start just bringing a few little Christmassy bits into the house. You see I have one pillow so far. That's probably all I've done, and I just want to feel like I'm a little bit more in control of everything. So come along with me today and hopefully I can inspire you to start to feel ready and to get your homes ready for Christmas. So Emily is upstairs just doing a Christmas play, performing them to her teddies. It is just adorable. So whilst that's happening, I'm going to put my ham in my slow cooker. I do have a recipe that I use for that. Brilliant, just to get it in the slow cooker while you're doing other things. I desperately need to have meals made for this week, so I'm going to get on with that. I like to do to help my house smell really fresh is I take the hose part off my Hoover and then I take a cotton pad and some essential oil, but today I've got this mix called Winter which I absolutely love, and basically I pop a load of oil onto a cotton pad. It smells amazing. And basically what I do is put the cotton pad in my Hoover. So I put it in where the little attachment goes, so in like that. And then what I find is when I'm hoovering, it's just this beautiful smell around the house. So just clean the cupboards, and one little tip that I've got is after I've cleaned the cupboards off, I like to spray them with some polish. Now this is multi-surface polish that you can use on wood, glass, metal and plastic. I've been using it quite a bit around my home. I got this one from Aldi, and if you spray it on your kitchen cupboards, it helps repel marks. It stops the dust, it seems to stop the dust from settling so quickly. So I like to do this sort of every couple of months. I just go over, spray the cupboards, give them a wipe, keeps them clean. In case you're wondering, I picked up this really beautiful dress for Emily, beautiful Christmas dress, but look how long it is. She's grown so much. She's going to be wearing it for a performance when she's dancing, so I'm actually in the process of taking it up, but it's really hard because it's really thin material, but yeah, that's what that's doing there. And I also just wanted to show you the porch. So we replaced all the tiles and I'm so pleased with it, so I'm just going to show that to you now. So in here it isn't too bad. I have got the ironing board out because I've been doing Emily's dress, and I have got a puzzle out, but that's nearly finished. And yes, in case you're wondering, I do like doing puzzles, basically because I think that I just get so tired of being on a computer all day, and it's just lovely, and I find it a very mindful thing to do. So yeah, that all needs tidying up. And then in here, you know, I think what I'm going to be doing is replacing some of these pictures with some pictures that are more up to date of the family, because they have become a little bit out of date. I usually like to put some lights along here, but then I really don't know where I'm going to put the tree this year, because normally I have the tree sort of here so that I use that electric point, but of course I've got the desk here now, and actually I really love having the desk there. We all use it, so it's whether I perhaps take the coffee table out, because obviously we just do puzzles on it, and put the tree sort of here, or I don't know. I mean, the thing is, we are enjoying our puzzles, and we've got a Christmas one under there to do next. So I don't know. What do you think? Where do I put the tree this year? Because obviously we've got this sofa here, which is always here, and I can't really live anywhere else. And then when we're all watching a film or something, I move the sofa forwards so that then we've got like an L-shaped seating area. So when we're watching television, like a DVD or something. So I can't put it here. This has really got only this place to live, and then over in this corner, sort of more toys and a bit of a dumping ground, which I'm going to clear in a minute. So I don't know, my options are a little bit limited. I'm just wondering whether the tree could perhaps go there as you come into the room, but I don't know whether that's going to be, I don't know if it's going to be in the way. And actually I do tend to have quite a large tree, so yeah, I need to give this some thought this year, where the tree's going to go. I just wanted to show you this. So I picked this up in Aldi for $9.99, the lantern, the wood burner lantern. I absolutely love it. It's kind of a joke because I've always wanted a wood burner actually to go here, a real one. I don't think I'm ever going to get one, so this is probably the closest I will ever get, and I don't know, I love it. It's really strange because I like watching it, even though I know it isn't real. You find yourself looking at it. So anyway, there we are, that's my lantern. And then I've also got these Woodwick candles. Now I got this one from Asda, and it was called Eco Wicks. And I don't know if you can hear it. but it basically crackles like wood. So, and it's got a lovely Christmassy scent, that one. And I have put my new IKEA candle out. So I've had a clean in here. I've had a good tidy up. I've hoovered. I've put out my new cushions that I'm so pleased with. They feel lovely. And my new, my old Christmas pillow. Thank you for joining me today. I have made so much progress with the house, and actually that is what it's about. It's about progress. I just wanted it to be, or started to feel clean, and then I can just start to bring in a few Christmas decorations and have it feel clean and ready to do that. And it's been lovely to be able to get on and do that today. I hope that I've inspired some of you to get on and have a clean and get your own homes ready for the Christmas season. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.